Ang trabaho po natin, uulitin ko, ay mang-aresto ng tao, especially covered by warrant of arrest. And we are trained, educated, and we are ready to implement and or arrest wanted. At all time, we arrest persons by virtue of warrant of arrest and or without warrant of arrest. Yung kagagawa lang ng krimen, pwede kami mang-arrest. And nasa mandato namin ang mang-aresto ng tao, especially those who are covered with warrant of arrest. At lagi kaming naghahanda dyan. We have police operational procedures for arrest procedures and basis for the arrest.
We will not stop hanggang masatisfy and or maaresto natin as ordered by the court. No, meron nga dyan na been hiding for 10 years or more than 10 years. Di ba? Like Rolito Go. At of course, hindi naman sila makakatakas sa kamay ng batas. And we will not stop.